Hi everyone, it's Dia with Eat, Run, Plan, Repeat. Today I thought I would do something a little bit different and show you how I do my monthly planning. As you can see from the beginning of this video, the first thing I do is pull down the wall calendar in my living room and give it a good cleaning. I like to make sure it's completely dry before I write on it, so first I head over to my computer to look at my digital calendar and my planner. If you've been following me, you'll know that this is a no frills, no sticker, minimalistic kind of setup. I don't really do any decorating in my planner. Every once in a while I'll draw something cute or put a cute sticker in there, but I don't use stickers for my planning, and if you're looking for that, this is probably not the video for you. The first thing I do is pull out my monthly insert, and I purchased these from Peanuts Planner Co. I don't have any cute stickers or stamps to use, so I just try to write in the month and the dates as neatly as I can. I don't even use any special pens for this. I just use my 3-colored friction pen that I use for everything in my planner.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb.
I do all of my forward planning on a digital calendar, either through my iMac or through my iPhone, so that's the first place I head to fill in things on my calendar.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond.
I try to do a little bit of color coding here, which is why my friction pen is perfect. And as you can see, I like to enter my photography bookings first.
I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
After that, I go through my digital calendar to see if I have anything listed for my daughter. This involves anything with her, like extended cheer practice or any games she needs to go to. We are very involved in her cheer program, so it also includes meetings that we need to attend, like the comp meeting and the winter formal meeting.
Easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
After I get everything all filled into my monthly calendar, I put it back in and I flip to my weekly section. These inserts are also from Peanuts Planner Co. As a matter of fact, all my inserts are, so I'll leave a link down below where you can find her store. When I'm doing my monthly planning, I like to pull my inserts out of my planner. I just find that it makes it easier to write in and easier to refer to my monthly calendar. Now I just refer back to my monthly calendar and put any appointments in that we have. I don't go into any detailed planning here, but it is a little more detailed than my monthly calendar. I like to include things like laundry day and grocery shopping.
There's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles.
After I get that all filled out, I put it back in my planner and head to my daily section. So when it's a day that I'm planning on the right-hand page, I'll usually leave it in the planner, but when I'm filling in the left-hand pages, the rings tend to get in my way, so I like to pull the insert out and work on it. This is about as fancy as I get when it comes to decorating. I bought this date stamp from Staples several years ago, and I just like to use it because it keeps the page looking a little bit neater. I like to start off by adding any appointments or things that will be taking me out of the house. I'm currently using the Nike app to maintain a workout program, so I like to head in there and see what will be coming up for that day and enter it into my workout section. Next, I try and do a little brain dump and list any of the things that I know I want to get done for that day. Once I get everything out of my head, I turn to my inbox to see if there's anything else I can add to my to-do list. And I still haven't decided what I want to do with these 3 boxes at the bottom, but for now I'm using them to write in the 3 things that I want to make sure I get done during the day. And here's an example of why I love using friction erasable pens. Once I'm done entering everything into my planner, I head back over to my wall calendar. I think this step stresses me out more than anything. I'm always so afraid I'm gonna mess up. I know I can erase it, but then I'll have to wait for it to dry again, so I just like to get it right the first time.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane.
As I was doing this, I realized that I forgot to put Halloween in my monthly planner pages. This next part is pretty self-explanatory. I just open up my planner and copy everything onto this wall calendar. Even though I have my planner with me at my desk at all times, I still like to keep this calendar on the wall. It makes it easy for my daughter to see when things are going on, and sometimes I'm standing in the kitchen and I'll get a text or an email and I need to look at my schedule, and it's just easy to look up and glance at the wall and see what we have going on. And that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed the look into how I plan my monthly, weekly, and daily pages. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know down below. I hope you guys are having a wonderful start to the fall season. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more from me, subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Reaching